little bit of blister fun from the 5K yesterday. So just show you real quick what the best way to handle that is if you need to kind of care for them when you're going to be in a running environment or operating environment shortly thereafter. Two things you want. Number one is some paper towel because you're going to drain the fluid that's inside the blister. So you just don't want that to kind of drain all over. The second thing is you want needle and thread. You can probably do it without the thread and just with the needle, but I'm going to do it with the thread. So you can see I already took care of one right here. Basically what you do is you take the needle and you just lance the blister right at the base. And actually, when I first started doing this, I thought you needed to be pretty gentle. As it turns out, it doesn't hurt very much because it's already pretty much dead skin at the top. So puncture the blister, and if it's pretty large, you're going to want to go through the entire base. So this one, you can see it kind of going through there. And I want to come out the other side. And I'm about to do that right here. So this one's tougher than most. Okay, so there we go. Go ahead and push the needle all the way through. Looks like maybe didn't get under the complete way. And then you can actually pull the thread part way through. At this point you can kind of leave it there and let the moisture wick out along the thread, or you can kind of pull it back through, which I'll actually do that, and then kind of drain it with your fingers. And this one might be a tough one to get back through because I think it was a pretty tough hole. As you can see, already some moisture wicking out there. So there we go. Generally speaking, the goal isn't to get a hole that large, but basically just push the moisture right out like so, and then you can dab it up. If it's a pretty big wound, probably want to use like some Neosporin or some rubbing alcohol to disinfect it. Otherwise you should be fine. So basically what you want to do is just kind of have that dry out and it'll start to heal on its own. And that is how you care for a blister.